Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing this Eid look for you guys. Every year I wait for Eid so I can wear my Afghani clothes and do Afghani makeup. It gets me so excited. So today I did this beautiful glittery look for you guys. If you want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned.
So I'm starting out this look by applying my Milani's blur stick all over my face, and make sure you don't forget under your eyes. And for foundation today, I'm using my Double Wear foundation by Estee Lauder. I'm applying my foundation using a sponge. This is a great long-lasting foundation, especially for Eid days when you have your makeup on probably from the early morning when you go to the morning prayer and until the night when you're finally ready to take off your makeup. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my Tape Shape by Tarte. So you guys probably got the drill by now. Just apply it under your eyes, on top of your forehead, the bridge of your nose, and around my mouth. I usually apply it because I have a little discoloration over there, and also on under my cheekbones, just to give it a little highlight. And blend that all out using a sponge. And now to bake, I'm going to be using my Airspun-Translucent powder. Apply a generous amount of this under your eyes and on your nose, basically anywhere on your face that you get oily. And for me, that is basically all of my face. And for my eyebrows, I'm using my WonderBrow, and it's in the shade Black Brown, and I'm using a little angled brush to apply that with, and I'm not doing anything much with my eyebrows. I'm basically just following my own shape. I'm just making it a little thicker and filling it in. And now with a small detail brush, I'm picking up some of my MAC's concealer, and I'm gonna clean around my eyebrows just to make them look more sharper and cleaner. And now I'm going in with my MAC's Paint Pot, and I'm applying that with a little brush all over my eyelids, and then I'm gonna like smudge it out with my fingers because I feel like it's so much easier to use your fingers to smudge this out than a brush. And for eyeshadow today, I'm using Huda Beauty's Obsession palette in Warm Brown. I'm first picking up the lightest shade from this palette and applying that all over my eyelid. Then with a blending brush, I'm picking up the lightest brown, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease, and I'm just gonna focus this in my crease just to make my crease look a little more deeper. And now with a smaller blending brush, I'm picking up the next brown over, and this palette I feel like has a lot of fallout. I don't know if I like that about it, but anyways, I'm picking that shade and I'm focusing that in my crease again just to make the crease look a lot more deeper and defined. And now with a small pencil brush, I'm picking up the darkest brown and I'm focusing that in the outer corner of my eye. I'm just applying that in a V shape, and then with a blending brush blend it out. With my Sonia Kashik's pencil brush, I'm picking up the darkest shade, and now I'm just almost drawing a very fine line on my crease. And with a small blending brush, don't blend this out too much, just blend it out so it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm taking my palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the World Traveler palette, and I'm picking up the black shade from there, and I'm applying that in the outer corner of my eye just to make that a little deeper, and then blend it out with a little blending brush. Now I'm picking up that dark brown with a pencil brush, and I'm applying that next to the black just as a transition color. And of course, just keep blending until it looks flawless. Now with a flat brush, I'm picking up my MAC's concealer, and I'm just applying that in the inner corner to the midsection of my eyelid, just so we have a clear base for our glitter. And for glitter glue, I'm using Violet Voss. And for glitter today, I'm using this beautiful gold glitter. So with a small detail brush, first apply the glue and then apply the glitter on top of it. Sorry guys, this glitter is made by me, and I'm trying to get this out there for all of you as soon as I can. I'm still working on that. I might need a little time, maybe give me a month or two. I'll try my best to get this out there for you guys as soon as I can. Now pick up that brown shade with a small blending brush and apply it next to the glitter and the dark brown just as a transition color so it looks a little more seamless. Now with a flat brush, pick up that black shade again and apply that under your eyes, and make sure you leave a little spot in the middle of your eye, just like a little dot, because we're gonna apply a little glitter on that. But pick up the brown shade with a pencil brush and blend out the black with it. Again guys, I'm sorry, this is one of my own glitters, so this is a green glitter that I'm picking up, and I'm just applying that a tiny bit in the middle section of my eye. Now with my Real Techniques brush, I'm just brushing away the excess powder that I have on my face. And for the fun part, so for my eyeliner, I'm using my Kat Von D's eyeliner. I have a detailed video on how to apply eyeliner on hooded eyes, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description below. And now to bronze my face, I'm using my MAC's bronzer and just applying that on top of my forehead and my jawline, a little under my cheekbones. for my nose contour, I'm using the same bronzer, so basically just drawing two lines on two sides of my nose and then closing it up in the tip of my nose, just so it doesn't look too long. You have to do a little close up. And also my nostrils, I feel like they're a little big, so yeah. And then a little line on top right there. Just do a little line that will cut your nose and make it look a little shorter. And then pick up your powder and then apply it next to the contour just to make it look a lot more smaller. And for my blush today, I'm using this blush by LiSi. I think it's called LiSi, L-I-S-I. Anyways, it's the shade 08 and it's very pigmented. It's almost like the NARS ones. And for my highlighter, I'm using my all-time favorite highlighter, the Balm Cosmetics Mary Lou. And of course, I'm hitting pan again in this, but look at how beautiful that looks. It's beautiful. I love it, especially when you apply it with a beauty blender. It's extra beautiful. But yeah, just blend it out with your blush so it doesn't look too harsh, and apply a little on your forehead, on top of your eyebrows, and I do like to apply it on my cupid's bow and a little on my chin. It just gives you a nice glow. Now I'm taking my Ofra's Blissful highlighter and I'm just picking that up with a small detail brush, and I'm applying that under my eyebrows for a little highlight. And I will also apply this on the bridge of my nose just to highlight my nose. And for lips today, I'm using my Milani's liquid lipstick in the shade Precious. I'm overlining my lips a little bit today, not too much, but this is my favorite lipstick. I feel like I've been using this a little too much, so maybe I'll try to mix it up for you guys next video. And for my setting spray, I'm using Milani's setting spray. I like to set my face before I apply the lashes because sometimes the mascara can get on your lid or under your eyes, and I don't want to deal with that. And for mascara, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics What's Your Type mascara. Apply that on your lashes before you apply your falsies. And for lashes today, I'm using Lilly Glitchy Lashes in Lush. Apply a few layers of the same mascara to your can't speak, I don't know what's wrong with me, to your lower lashes.
So this is the final look, you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. It's all at Makeup by Roya. I hope you guys all have an amazing Eid. Love you guys. Bye.